This is Elena.
My name's Allison. My name's Ben. My name's Thomas.
And so we're from Jordan Jackson Elementary School in Mansfield, Massachusetts. And so then we did our project called the Y-Files, which is which is an independent study project where you have to research online and take notes and then make your own PowerPoint project. So we started by coming up with fierce wanderlings, which are questions in your head that you were wondering. So this is Elena's stuff. So her project was about stars. And then after that, she had to start coming up with research questions about stars. So like some of our stars are red, blue, and white. Why do they look yellow?
Or like to find out stars for green.
Yeah, they're green too. So or like why does the sun look like the biggest star when it isn't? And then so these are just all her questions together. And then she started researching online everything she needed, like this is what are stars made of. So after she did that, she had to start taking notes using our CHOP process, which is crossing out unnecessary information, highlighting what you need, and making notes, and then putting them in your own words to avoid plagiarism. So then once we took all our notes, we made them into our own PowerPoint on paper, which is our multimedia map, which is right here. So she colored it and everything. And then once we did that, we made our own PowerPoints. Like this is Elena's about the surprising stars. And then this is mine about cameras. Then there's basset hounds and hair. And then Thomas did his on light, but that's not shown right now. So on each of them, we had why we wanted to learn about it, and then the answers to all our questions, and then we had to use different fonts and transitions and things and stuff like that. So then after we did the different questions, like you would see other people's going right here. So I wanted to learn about how they're developed and everything. So then we had to do what we learned, and so I learned about like taking notes and researching online and avoiding making sure you had reliable resources and explaining about projects. So then these are the sources I use. We use like the resource Puzzle a lot, which is just has reliable information.
It's basically like Google.
It's like Google basically, and then this is about me. And the end.
Another thing we all did was we added animations to pictures, and we added sounds and a lot of other stuff like that. And mostly we did this project ourselves, and if we needed help, we tried to get other students to help us, and if no one could find the answer, Miss Friedman helped us.
So we did something else, like we had to like find like I don't know, like interesting facts like on like your topic. So you had to be like as specific as you could be. So because like then like the less like views you'll get for like the websites, the more like the more so you find like if you do less words and make it specific, you'll get better websites instead of like so like you heard like a Boolean operator. Operator. And you like that's like you put like a plus sign and like where it like is. So you don't want to do like so like for example, Miss Freeman did the food drive.
Yeah.
And if you didn't put the plus sign, it would be like Mansfield like all over like the Texas. But if you put the plus sign, Mansfield MA, you would get like the exact place where it was.
And less people
that viewed it.